What up guys, Ryan here. Today I just wanted to do an announcement in case you missed the email that Printful is doing a free digitization week starting tomorrow, July 22nd, and it ends on July 28th. Now, they do this on occasion, maybe every other month or so. And normally the way digitization works, and this is for embroidery products, and it's not just hats. I'm going to show you in a second what else you can embroider. But with embroidered products, there's a one-time digitization fee when a design sells for the first time. Now, it used to be, I think, $8.95, and then they've since reduced it all the way down to, I think, $6.95 is what it's at now. And this is just part of the, it's just like playing ball. It's one of these things. It sucks to incur an additional fee, but it's a one-time thing. And the nice thing is that if you, like for me, I've mentioned before on this channel, I do sell a lot of embroidered hats. It's kind of like a little niche, less competitive niche that I've carved out for myself. And I like to list a bunch of various different designs and niches for hats on Amazon using my GTIN exemption where it's free. And then because there's a digitization fee, I can wait and see if I can get a sale on Amazon. If I do, and that digitization fee comes out of the margin for that sale, then I can go to marketplaces where it costs money to list, like Etsy. And since the design's already digitized and it's proven that people are looking to buy, I can go ahead and list it on Etsy as well. These are little things, or you just go ahead and list it on Etsy at the same time. It doesn't matter. It depends how confident you are in the design. But since you have to pay to list on Etsy, you could, all I'm saying is, in theory, wait till it gets a sale on Amazon. You pay the digitization fee. Now, if you decide to list on Etsy where you pay for the insertion, you also have a digitized design, meaning the next sale it makes, you're getting full profits. There's no $6.95 digitization. But with free digitization, any sales you get on embroidery designs during this period, you don't have to pay that $6.95. So it's brilliant. It's a great time to be launching new products for embroidery, especially on marketplaces like Etsy, where when your product is renewed, meaning if you just launch a new product, that counts as a renewal. It boosts your positioning in search results on relevant keywords for a period of time. So that's something that not a lot of people know. It is in fact true though. And it shouldn't replace your PPC, by the way. You should still be running PPC sponsored products. If you guys don't know how to do that, I'll try to put a link on the cards in this video. So it should be up here if you click that little icon. But also just go ahead and check out my channel. I've got walkthroughs. I've got a free print-on-demand mini course where I walk you through sponsored products as well. This is a great time to be experimenting with embroidered designs. Also, if you go into Printful and you type in embroidery, you'll see a couple results. I took a screenshot right here of the various products that you can embroider. So they've got a women's polo, men's polo, two men's polos. You can embroider t-shirts, which is cool. It's rare, but I've seen some high-end fashion brands that do that. You can embroider aprons, which is a great gift for the person in your life that cooks for you. If you're like me and you sit at a computer all day. And you can even embroider a baby bib. So we all know that the baby market, a ton of money gets exchanged in the baby market every year. Everybody wants to go buy a cute gift for a baby shower. And this is kind of something that I'd only do during the free digitization week. But you could launch on Etsy an embroidered baby bib and offer personalizations and only do it for the free digitization week, because you definitely wouldn't want to be paying that digitization fee outside of the free week. Otherwise, you're gonna have to really mark your products up, which brings me to my last point. When I sell embroidery designs, because of that one-time digitization fee, I always aim to make no less than $10 before marketplace fees are taken out. Meaning, if Amazon's gonna take 15% and I sell a product for $30 that cost me $20, then Amazon takes $4.50. I'm left with $6.50, and the embroidery fee comes out to $6.95. I only lose 45 cents on that, and that's just in theory. It typically doesn't work out that way. Also on Amazon, I typically aim for a little bit, like $11. But that's my suggestion. If you're doing any embroidery designs, aim to mark your products up minimum $10 on Amazon. If you do sell on Amazon FBM through Seller Central, I'd recommend $11. That's my personal recommendation, though. You can do you. I do see a lot of people selling on these marketplaces not understanding their margins, not understanding how to really calculate the marketplace fees, and if they're advertising, that's even more. I see a lot of people basically probably selling at a loss. The hats specifically are one of these ones where I see people charging like way too low prices. So don't be afraid to mark up your prices. I keep mine pretty high. It's not scaring any customers away. At least I don't think it is. I'm still selling well. And that's it for this video, guys. Go ahead and check out Printful's embroidery options. Go check out, like, this screenshot obviously doesn't have any hats in it. All of the hats are embroidery, so go check those out. See if you can find a hot niche and make yourself a little bit of extra money diving into a lesser competitive space. Everybody's selling mugs and t-shirts, so go look for something else like hats and see if you can make a splash. And that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, and if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, hit me up below. I read and respond to everything, and I'll see you at the next video.